When flowers bloom or dust floats near, I help you breathe and feel less fear. Itchy nose or teary eyes, I check the reason for your sighs. Pollen, peanuts, fur, or bees, I help with allergies like these. With careful tests and gentle care, you'll feel much better, I swear.
Orchard! It's not you, the doctor's here to help your sniffles disappear. I'm your allergist today, helping sneezy kids feel okay.
Tissues, tests, and lollipop treats.
No more sneezes, just happy beats.
Achoo!
Let's smile wide, the allergy doc is on your side.